Hello people, my name is David. We're going to see simple present. Simple present is for habit or action that happened in the past, happened in the present, and will happen in the future. Like in this example, I go to the school every day. It's in present, but I went to the school yesterday, I go to the school today, and I will go to the school tomorrow. But in this second example, Raul is a third person, and to the verb we have to add the plus S. Like here, Raul drinks every day. Raul drinks in the past, drinks today, and will going to drink tomorrow. Or more simple is for birds fly. Birds fly, the birds fly in the past, many years ago, flies now, and we're going to fly in the future. And that's it.